Hi everyone, this is Mike Hopkins, astronaut with NASA, coming to you from the Countermeasures Training Room here at NASA JSC. And today, or this morning, I want to talk to you a little bit about the treadmill that we use when we're up on orbit. Now, you may look at it and it seems very similar to the treadmills you use at home, but there are a lot of differences with this treadmill, particularly in how we're able to use it. But we also have an vibration isolation system with this treadmill, and what that does is, as we're running, it keeps those vibrations as we pound on the treadmill from being transferred to the space station itself. And that's actually pretty important because here on Earth, when you run, you've got a great damping system called Earth, but we don't have that up in space, and so we need to make sure that we're not impacting the station while we're working out. One of the other major differences with the treadmill is that we have to use a harness, much like a backpacking harness that you have when you go hiking. And so what we use this for is to help hold us down on the treadmill, because remember, when we're in space we're floating around, and so it's hard to stay down on the track. And so we put this little harness on, and then we have to strap ourselves to the treadmill. So once we get strapped in with the harness and the bungees, we have a computer that we actually use that has different workouts on it. And the neat thing about this as well is, not only does it have our workout on it, so we can change the speed and whether we're doing interval workouts or longer distance, but while we're working out, it'll actually record our heart rate, it'll record the force that the bungees are pulling down, it'll record our footfalls, and so then on the ground we can actually use that, analyze it, and see how I'm doing on my workouts. And so when we're ready to go, all we have to do is hit the start button, and away we go. So that gives you a little sense of how we get to use the treadmill up on orbit. I've done a lot of training with it down here, but I sure can't wait to use it when I get up there.